I think that LinkedIn is actually a really underutilized platform for leaders and entrepreneurs that I work with who have B2B offerings. So, if you are selling a service or a product to business owners or to professionals, I think LinkedIn is a really great place for you to be and a place where you should be focused on optimizing your profile. And I had actually let LinkedIn slide for quite a while as I prioritized Instagram and Facebook and growing there. But I am recommitted to LinkedIn, and there are some really cool features that you can take advantage of. And LinkedIn now has AI completely integrated into it. So if you get LinkedIn Premium, you can actually unlock a lot of really cool AI features, including these profile enhancements. So let's check this out. So I'm going through headline options here. Leadership and business coach is suggested. I think that's probably a pretty good headline for me. I do a lot of embodiment coaching, so embodied leadership and business coaching, but I do think that embodiment as a word is sometimes misunderstood in this space. So I will often lead with leadership and business. And the other option is more leading with my work at Coaching Evolved. So I'm actually going to go back to leadership and business coach. We can leave it at that for now. So next up, LinkedIn AI is working on my about to optimize it. And it actually did a really good job here. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that. So it updated with the profile suggestions, and I'm going to keep playing around with it. Okay, now here is the real AI game changer for growing on LinkedIn. It is an AI tool called Taplio. You'll have to set up an account, and then there's also a Google Chrome extension to download that will unlock all of the features. So when you have the Chrome extension installed, and that is an easy one. Just Google Taplio Google Chrome extension. You'll be able to do that with one click when you set up your Taplio account as well. It now integrates into LinkedIn, and it gives you all of these features that are not native to LinkedIn, which is really cool. And I'm excited to explore this more just because I noticed that it's a lot easier to grow my following on LinkedIn than it is on places like Instagram. So I think there is so much potential for me and my business here, and for any of you who do B2B or work with leaders and executives and professionals. So let me take you into Taplio and show you some of these really cool features. Once you let it know a little bit more about who your audience is and what you personally do, how you help people, what categories you want to be creating content in, it can actually create the content for you through its AI generator. And this is really cool. So when you go to the generated for you content, you give it a little bit of time, and it will create content based on your core topics and your voice once you've filled out the questionnaire. So it's giving me these content ideas that are pretty good that I can edit and then queue to post. And because I have the extension downloaded and integrated with LinkedIn, I can actually do all of that. Like, it will move the content over here for me and publish it automatically. So it is an all-in-one tool. There's also a hook generator, really powerful because you need strong hooks in order to capture attention. So let's play with this for a moment. Da 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 da. Okay, so now I have this list of hooks that I can potentially use with posts as well. So I'm really liking that one. There's a function to repurpose content. So if you have YouTube videos or if you have a blog, you can upload posts that you have already written, and it can repurpose it into LinkedIn content for you. So many cool features, and hopefully you can already see how this is a game changer. It's full management of your LinkedIn profile, including creating content that can get you more engagement on the platform and grow your brand and your business. I do find that it sometimes takes a little bit of time to generate the results. I'm often waiting a minute or so for the results to be generated. There we go. So it will show you posts that have gone viral or have viral potential as well for inspiration for you to take and edit. So this is one.
Hey, there is
Hyper.
It's an alternative to Sora, and it's pretty
underutilizing
and
your
course
you are going to
generate
Perplexity AI if you're not already. So just to wrap this up, I am editing one of the drafts that it did, and I can add this to my queue, and voila, I now have my first post ready to go.